Good morning, y'all. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm D. If you are new, I just made me a quick breakfast and I got some orange juice. Thank you so much for being here, and we about to get this vlog started. I promise I'm working. I got my makeup desk semi-cleaned off. I got my chair over here cleaned out. I got the floor mostly clear. On my last vlog, I showed y'all I had my bed clear, but I told y'all I was about to get in it anyway. I've been in it. Chilling. I'm watching the Breakfast Club now. I'm about to get back to work. I'm going to show y'all my progress because I think I showed y'all my bed in the last vlog, but I didn't show y'all no progress. And then I'm going to have my dinner. My mother-in-law cooked dinner. So, yeah, let me just show y'all. All right, y'all. Everything that's up here, I pretty much want up here because I'll be using that tonight. So, only thing I have to do is just remove everything that's left and wipe my makeup desk down. That looks much better. Then I got my chair over here clear that I showed y'all in the last vlog. I just haven't started tackling this shelf yet. I do have the floor clear. I'm still filling that trash. I got this and some Coke. And yeah, I showed y'all in my last vlog I was working on my wig. That's where it's at. Still getting ready to be clean. And I emptied out the container of new clothes. That needs to be washed. All dirty clothes are from behind the door. And I got my comforter and the clothes that I'm taking out the room right there. So I am making progress. So I'll see y'all after I eat. All right, y'all. I'm watching my live and this is my dinner. Y'all start tearing it up. Some baked chicken, some sweet potato, and some okra. It's so good. And y'all know I got it full of hot sauce. I'm gonna eat my dinner and I'll be back. Good morning, y'all. It is 7:30. Today is I don't know. Look at this, y'all. I'll put the date on the screen. It's literally ice. It's on my car. This is crazy. It's so cold. Just getting off work. I talked to the girl that braided my hair, and she said she can do my hair after I get off tomorrow. So we are finna run to the hair store, and we are about to run to the bank. So soon as I leave here tomorrow, we can get our braids done. And then Martin Luther King Day is on Monday, but I have to work, of course. So I'm letting my eyes get a break from the eyelashes. And I think when I get off work, I'm gonna be done missed the Martin Luther King Day parade, but I do want to go to the festivities after. And I don't know if my brother gonna have my nieces, but we gonna hang out. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I know this vlog been kind of choppy, but I really haven't been doing anything. I've been cleaning and relaxing, y'all, and it has been raining and cold. I showed y'all that this morning, all that ice that was on my car. That was crazy. They saying that happened last year, but I don't remember that. I don't remember nothing like that happening last year. But yeah, let's get to the hair store and to the bank. And yeah, I'll see y'all at the house. Bye. All right, y'all, it's later on in the night. It's 6:40 and I fell asleep and I don't know what happened. But yeah, I want to come and show y'all. Oh, I got my hair and everything I needed for tomorrow once I get off work. And I'm going to comb through it and do a little, put some more conditioner on it so it can be softened together for when I get off work. But I want to come show y'all what I found in Goodwill. Some glitter boots. And they were $9.99. Of course, They were free because I used my points. I told you I had a lot of points. These glitter boots are so fire, and I love the heel. They're not too much. And I do not have any. I have some glitter boots, but they're black glitter cowgirl boots. The brand is a Brand New Day. They are a size 11. They look, they look and smell brand new. And they are a size 11. When I seen them in there, I was like, oh my God, these were meant for me. I love them so much. I know they have the brand A New Day at Target, but I don't think nobody else carries that brand. But yeah, they are brand new, y'all. Y'all know I love anything glittery and sparkly. Is that a diamond missing? No. I didn't even check the zippers to see if anything was wrong with the zipper. So nothing wrong with that zipper. I love them, y'all. And nothing is wrong with this zipper. I never find shoes at Goodwill, let alone new shoes. Yeah, in my size. I always see cute shoes in there, but they always be woe down or they're not my size. So yeah, I feel like these were meant for me, y'all. So cute. So I'm not doing anything. I'm watching Aaron Wiles Out TV. I know y'all know I told y'all I love to watch this show called Chasing Atlanta. He's doing a review of the Meet the Cast. So I'm watching that, and I'm watching some of my other people on YouTube that have posted today. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll get back to y'all tomorrow after work probably, or after I get my hair done. I don't know. Good night, y'all. All right, y'all. I done made it to my hairdresser's house. I got my money. I got my hair. I got me some snacks. I got me 2 twisted teas because y'all know I just got off of work. I went home and took me a quick freshen up shower. I had to run to the hair store because she had needed me to bring her something. So it's 5 o'clock exactly. She haven't made it here yet. But let me get ready to go in. And I will see y'all when I'm cute. Today is the 17th. And yeah, I got to be right back to work in the morning. Y'all know this going to be a little process. If she don't usually take too many breaks, but I know I'm probably going to leave here late because it's already 5 o'clock. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I know this vlog is choppy, but bear with me, y'all. And I will see y'all later on tonight. Hey y'all, today is the 18th and here is my hair. Y'all see I just came back from Bravo's. Me and my family are gonna do a little cookout tomorrow, so I went and grabbed a little meat and some corn. I got my water on to clean my meat, so that's what I ramped up in Bravo's for. I didn't never show y'all my hair last night because I was tired and I had to be right back to work in the morning. But this are my braids. I gotta do my eyelashes probably tonight, so I won't have to do them tomorrow when I get off work because I get off at 4. So me and my brothers, everybody just gonna meet up, drink and cook. Y'all know I'm gonna take y'all along with me. I just came to show y'all these Jessica Simpsons. I found these yesterday. I didn't never show y'all because I had to get straight to it to go get my hair done. Y'all know I have told y'all before I love in between the toe shoes, especially heels, and these were so beautiful, y'all. Y'all know I just found the A New Day boots that was sparkly, so I had to have these. They were $7.99, and yes, I used points to pay for them, so they were free. Y'all tell me these are not fire, and the heel is not too high. Yes, y'all know I'm a girly girl. So let's get in here. Take care of this meat. Do I got anything else to tell y'all? No. Let's go to the kitchen. All right, y'all. I don't know what all my brother cooking, but y'all know I love me a steak. So I went in here in there and got each of us a steak. 2 for $10.95. You can't beat that for T-bones. So that's what I got. And I got my water on to clean them. $10.95. This one was a little more, $11.29. And then this one was $10.70. Can't beat that for steaks. Then I got 2 things of corn. I don't know if my brother gonna wrap them and season them in aluminum foil or how he wanna cook them, but yeah, I love me some corn on the grill. So this is my water. It's about to go off. So what we do is put vinegar, and we put lime. And my water about to go off, y'all. And then all right, and I'll come back after it has sat, and it's time to rinse them and season them. And this is what I'm eating for dinner. My mother-in-law cooked sweet potato and fish. So let me eat my dinner and I'll be back when it's time to season the steaks. All right, y'all, this is everything. Bless you. This is everything I'm about to use to season the meat with. Right quick. And let me go ahead and do it because I don't damn fell asleep and everything. Let's go. The steaks are all seasoned. I'm just gonna get some aluminum foil and cover them up so they can marinate till I get off of work tomorrow. All right, y'all, it is 58 outside. It is cold. Y'all see I'm done with the steaks. It's a 7-11. I thought I had been asleep long, but I was tired, y'all. So I got me a peach twisted tea. I still haven't did my eyelashes yet, but I might do it. I'm gonna do it probably before I go to bed, or either I'm gonna get up a little earlier in the morning and do them. And I'm watching Funky Dineva, and I'm about to chill, y'all. Probably finna go back to sleep. Mister on the phone, about to get knocked down. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog so I can do a day in the life for Martin Luther King Day. After I get off work with me and my family. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for being here. And I'll be back with another one. Bye, you guys. Good night.